Guys, if you want to learn how to deposit thousands of dollars into your account and make it online first, go ahead and click the link in bio, and I'll see you guys on the other page. Or click the link below, wherever you see it, or click the link in bio, and I'll explain you exactly how I do it. All right? And you can come to the bank and deposit the money on your account and then use it for whatever you need to use it. So go ahead and click the link in bio, and I'll see you guys on the other page. Let's see how much money. I already deposited 2,000 just a few seconds ago. It couldn't take all of my stacks, so hopefully it's gonna take all of them now. Doesn't want to take all of them.